How to fix ads appearing on the home screen, covering the whole screen on a device. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up settings on your device. You can open up the settings by simply swiping down your notification panel and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down and find applications. If you don't find here, tap on the source icon and type app. Now tap on apps. Now go to app management. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom slowly and find the application which doesn't have any name or icon on it. When you find the application, simply tap on the APK. Now here you can find an option for uninstall. Simply tap on it and tap on OK. I hope this should fix the issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.